Imagine holding a device that feels less like a tablet and more like a window into the next decade. For years, the tech world has whispered about a massive shift, a moment where the boundary between a standard tablet and a powerhouse computer completely vanishes. That moment has officially arrived. If you think you know what to expect from a base model iPad, you need to clear your mind right now. What Apple has cooked up behind closed doors isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a complete, unapologetic rewrite of the rules. We live in an era where everyone is trying to sell you the next big thing, but most of the time, it is just the old thing with a shiny new coat of paint. Not this time. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The landscape of portable technology is shifting beneath our feet, and the device we are looking at today is the epicenter of that earthquake. It forces us to ask a very serious question. Why are we still buying traditional laptops? Why are we carrying around heavy, bulky machines when the future of computing can be held in a single hand, thin as a notepad, yet possessing the raw, unbridled power to crush tasks that used to require a desktop tower? Think about the last time a piece of technology genuinely shocked you. Not just a minor convenience, but something that made you pause, look at the screen, and realize the future is already here. That is the exact feeling we are breaking down today. We are peeling back the layers on a machine that is designed to disrupt the market, redefine value, and leave the competition scrambling for answers. To understand why this is such a massive deal, you have to look at the sheer engineering marvel under the hood. For the longest time, the entry-level iPad was the safe choice. It was the device you bought for casual browsing, streaming your favorite shows, or handing off to the kids. It was reliable, sure, but it rarely pushed the envelope. It lived comfortably in the shadow of its more expensive siblings. But Apple just did something incredibly dangerous to their own lineup. They took the kind of performance that used to cost a premium and injected it straight into the mainstream. We are talking about a processing engine that handles complex tasks with an almost eerie smoothness. Imagine rendering high-definition video, switching between a dozen intensive applications, and running advanced artificial intelligence models all at the exact same time without a single stutter, without the device even getting warm. It feels almost illegal for a standard tablet to have this much power. The gap between the casual user and the absolute professional has officially been bridged. But power is nothing without a canvas to display it on. Let's talk about what happens the moment you wake this screen up. The display technology utilized here is nothing short of breathtaking. The colors don't just sit on the glass. They pop with a vibrant, cinematic depth that makes everything else look washed out by comparison. Deep, absolute blacks meet blindingly bright highlights, creating a contrast ratio that draws your eyes in and refuses to let go. Whether you are editing photos with pixel-perfect accuracy, watching a masterfully graded film, or just scrolling through your daily feed, the fluid motion makes every interaction feel like liquid magic. It responds to your touch with such instantaneous precision that the glass seems to disappear entirely, leaving you in direct contact with your digital world. Yet, a beautiful screen and a fast chip are only half the battle. The real magic, the secret sauce that makes this device utterly irresistible, is how it thinks. We are standing at the dawn of a new age of computing.